Look what we got in at Unique Classic Cars. It's a 1947 Ford Super Deluxe Club Coupe that has been street rotted. And all right, Ford fans, here you go. It's Ford powered, no excuse. You can't buy it because it's got a Chevy underneath there. Nope, 302 V8, Edelbrock carb on that 4-barrel. Automatic transmission, and best of all, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front, AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work on the front of this one. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. It's black. We're going to see a few imperfections as we walk around this one, but overall, don't get me wrong, this car has a good look to it. It's going to turn some heads. Sounds good, looks good. We're going to start it up in a bit, take a peek underneath the hood, and of course stick around to the very end, and Jason's going to take this for a drive. All right, still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside of the car, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Boss 5-spoke chrome wheels. You can see we do have a little pitting on the wheels, and I believe it's kind of that way a little bit all the way around. We'll take a peek as we go. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Gotta love these wide fendered cars. Bright work up and down. Passenger side also looks good. Paint, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. And if you're like me, it's got the door handles. It's not shaved, it's not poppers. Grab onto that door handle, open the door. Oops, did I give you a little peek at that custom interior? We're gonna get around to that on the driver's side in a bit. Go through that interior a little bit closer. It's got a great look to it. A little bit of pitting in that rear wheel. Of course, the stone or the rock guard in the front of that rear fender. Also polished. Side exiting exhaust. Speaking of exhaust, it is a true dual exhaust. Headers with Flowmasters, I believe it was underneath there. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. When we take a peek underneath the hood, you're going to notice it does have an aluminum radiator. This car also has cruise control. Technician, a few notes from them. Brakes are 60% in the front. What was it? 100% in the rear, I believe. Slight powertrain seat. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that can be driven. There is a locking lug socket in the glove box. Tires are getting up there in age, 2015 and 2016 on the date codes. Hey, if you like these street rods, maybe you're into the 40s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Showed you kind of a little imperfection in the paint in the rear. So you might have a few small spots like that, but considering this thing is black, the paint was done well for being a little older paint. It still shows well. As you can see, nice shine to it, reflection in it. I would not be ashamed to drive this car to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just take it out and drive it. Remember, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Heat blows hot. Cruise control works. Wipers work. Like driving a more modern car. All right, check this out. Kind of got this alligator skin look on this interior. Two-tone interior. Actually, tri-tone coming at alligator. Kind of a camel. Trunk is also finished off as nicely as the interior. Tilt column, banjo style steering wheel, aftermarket gauges, nice cluster aftermarket stereo, headliner finished to match. Be a fun car. Let's fire it up. And remember, Ford power 302. No excuses, Ford people. Hear how easily that started. All right. Aftermarket gauges, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Fuel, oil pressure, and volts. Pioneer aftermarket stereo. AC and heat controls down below. Door closes nicely. us. Let's listen. Nice little rumble coming out of that 302. Paired up with an automatic transmission. All right, let me pause this a second. I'm going to have to pop the hood from the inside. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then stick around a little bit longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood popped. Nice and clean and tidy underneath here too. As you can see, brake booster, chromed power brakes. There's that L-Rock 4-barrel. 302 AC blows cold. Aluminum radiator headers down there, if you can see. Power steering. It's ready to roll, folks. Jason's going to show you how it goes down the road. 1947 Super Deluxe Ford Club Coupe, street rotted. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pictures. Thing's got a nice stance to it too. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1947 Ford. This would be a street rod. Nice custom interior. A little bit of alligator looking skin design. Very nice. Our turn signal indicators are working. The AC's blowing cold in this car. Very unique and nice rumble coming out of the tail of this car. Our fuel gauge is over here showing a full tank. Temperature about 160 and still rising. Oil pressure 50 and volts are 14. That's all over on that side. Matching very well to this side. Both from Classic Instruments. The speedometer working as it should as well. Pioneer stereo in the dash. The headliner matching the rest of the upholstery in this car, looking very good. Aftermarket steering wheel, metal in the back with finger grooves. Also very nice. Horn working. Bench seat front and rear. Matching removable center console with cup holders. Brakes are nice and effective. Power steering makes it easy to steer corners very well. There's that rumble again. Good acceleration. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1947 Ford at UniqueClassicCars.com.